So what do you do after or before wet blasting? There are parts washers, there are ultrasonic cleaners, there are pressure washers, compressed air. As a post process, what we want you to do is focus on getting abrasive out of the inside of your part. So high pressure parts washers, compressed air, ultrasonic cleaners, all of those are options. It's not a requirement to clean your parts before you put it into the vapor honing machine. The system itself kind of does a washing process as well as cleaning. It is good to keep your system fresher longer if you clean the parts prior to. It's just not a requirement. So let us know how we can assist you further. Give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.